Got a minute? Let me tell you how solar energy works. Solar energy is a clean, renewable source of power that's changing the way we fuel our homes and businesses. But how does it work? Solar panels, made up of photovoltaic cells, capture sunlight and convert it into electricity. An inverter then transforms this electricity into a usable form called alternating current, or AC. The AC electricity is sent to the building's electrical panel, where it powers appliances, lights, and devices. Excess electricity can be sent back into the grid through net metering, reducing energy bills and benefiting the community. For backup power, battery storage systems store excess electricity for use when the sun isn't shining. Regular monitoring and maintenance ensure the system operates efficiently over time. Now, why should you go to a trusted solar installer in Sydney? Choosing a trusted solar installer ensures that your system is installed correctly and safely, maximizing its performance and longevity. Here are some of our customer feedback that provides valuable insights into the quality of service and satisfaction experienced by previous clients, helping you make an informed decision when selecting an installer. So, when investing in solar energy for your home or business in Sydney, make sure to choose a reputable installer with positive customer feedback to ensure a seamless and satisfying experience from start to finish. Embrace solar energy today and become part of the millions of homes and businesses enjoying the rewards of renewable energy.